Here we have a slightly more abstract example. So we are told that the limit as x approaches -2 of this function equals 3. So it exists, it's a finite number, yay, great. And we're told that the limit as x approaches -2 of g of x divided by f at x is 5. Now we're asked to find this limit right here. It's the same limit as x approaches -2, but this time it's of the function g of x divided by x plus 4. If your teacher on the exam or test does give you a very abstract question like these, and you'll see these in university as well, what you're trying to do is you're trying to create g of x over x plus 4 using what you already know, okay? So I'm going to rewrite g of x over x plus 4. I can do that by writing this as g of x times 1 over x plus 4. Now we're getting a little bit closer because 1 over x plus 4 is a function we know. How can I get g of x using what I already have in the question? Well, I can rewrite this one more time. And g of x, if you notice, is just the product between f at x and g of x over f at x. So I can rewrite this as g of x over f at x times f at x, which will make up this part right here because the f at x technically cancel, times 1 over x plus 4. So now when I want to find the limit of the left-hand side, that's just going to be the limit of the right-hand side. And I can use limit properties to simplify the limit on the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, we have the limit as x approaches -2 of g of x over f at x, that's the first guy, times the limit as x approaches -2 of f at x. So I'm kind of like distributing this limit into each of the pieces, times the limit as x approaches -2, distributing it to the last piece, of 1 over x plus 4. So now I have these three pieces here, and let's try to fill out as much as we can. Well, we know the first piece, the limit of g over f is 5, so this guy is 5. We know the second piece, the limit of f is 3, and then this requires a direct substitution for this last piece. So this is going to give us 5 times 3 times 1 over -2 plus 4. So this gives us 15 times 1/2, or 15 over 2.